tripping, bro. Hey, bro, that is hilarious. Oh my god. Hey, yo, I fuck with power, cuz. I'm telling you.
Doesn't every ending have like a different? I fuck with power.
I fuck with power.
But then again,
oh my
then
god,
she's hella weird. But she's a man of her word.
Yeah, Hey, Cameron, honestly, he's so down bad. I feel bad for him because like
He's hella down bad.
whatever she wants, she can be like, "Hey, I need you to clean this shit off this floor that I
What
made."
the fuck is going on in this intro?
Outro.
Outro. Wait.
Fondle.
Ew, the blood. What a hell of fruit.
I was like, what'd you see? I saw a tomato.
I mean, a tomato, a vegetable, or fruit. There's no, we don't know.
It's a vegetable.
Meowie. Hey, she kind of getting it. This is like a pure power outro.
Yeah, you notice that?
Are we complaining?
No. Hey, I gotta say, I fuck with the artwork of this anime.
I'm curious. Was this made as like a joke anime, and just turned out to be great, or?
Bam.
That was hard. That was hard. That was hard. I'm glad we came back.
Yeah, I'm so glad
Never
we
left.
came back to this.
Never left.
Oh my
but
god.
Damn.